What's up mga quiz, mga atis? Welcome back sa akin channel. This is Chris Anan at ngayong araw papanoorin natin yung pinakabagong talent show ng GMA o talent competition ng GMA. At ito yung Stars on the Floor na pangungunahan or magiging host dito ay si Alden Richards. So hindi ko na ito patatagalin pa. Papanoorin natin yung trailer at mamaya ibibigay kong reaction at opinion ko on the same trailer. So let's go!
Presenting the Dance Authority, the Kapuso Primetime Queen, Marian Rivera, the star comedian of the dance floor, Aqua, and the dance trend master, Coach J. All three authorities will set the bar high for the ultimate dance collab and collision of the stars.
Oh, labanan na!
Stars on the Floor, hosted by Alden Richards, premieres June 28.
Okay, dahil ko napanood natin yung trailer ng Stars on the Floors. So, nakita natin doon, ang host si Alden Richards, then mga judges sina Marian Rivera, Pokwang, at yung, I think siya yung choreographer ng SP19. Tapos yung maglalaban-laban is the Stars at Digital Stars. So wala akong idea kung sino nga yung mga kalaban. So definitely wala rito mga ordinary people. So mostly mga artista, mga influencers, gano'n. So ang maglalaban-laban. So pero di ko alam kung paano yung format nitong show na to, kung paano sila maglalaban-laban, kung celebrity versus digital stars or magko-combine sila pero maglalaban pang pair-pair, diba? Something like that. So tingnan natin, papanoorin natin yan. So it will be shown on June 28. So June 28 is Sabado. So I think ito yung papalit sa Pinoy Big Brother kasi I think there's remaining 3 weeks na lang atang weeks ang natitira sa Pinoy Big Brother. So ito yung ipapalit sa ipapalit sa Pinoy Big Brother. So yan, exciting tayo, bagong show. So hindi magdadrama dito si Alden, but he will be back as a host ng isang competition. So kayo mga quiz, mga atis, na gusto nyo pa yung trailer ng Stars on the Floor, excited pa kayo magpanood yun sa TV, then mag-comment kayo dito sa baba and I will read all your comments and opinions and I will try to interact with you guys regarding this. So ayan mga quiz, mga atis. So thank you very much. Have a nice day and bye bye.